Hello everyone, this is Sindhu again back to you with a new video which is quite unexpected video. I was not really decided to prepare such a video, but one of the call made me to make this video. I really feel proud on my students, always made me worth enough what I am. I really blessed to have such kind of students in my life. All made me to make such a video. Really, I have learned one of the great philosophical thought that one should only speak where he cannot remain silent or she cannot remain silent. This made me a big knowledgeable thing with a different adverse situation. And here I would like to explain one of the bitter experience which I have faced in my teaching profession, in my career. Long years back story this is. Very long years back story this is. One of the child came to me and said with an enthusiastic face that, "Ma'am, I won the first prize for essay writing school." And she explained everything what she had written in the essay. And after 2 days, the child came to me and requested me, "Ma'am, can you please explain some of the things which are the another points which I can add in my essay, and in the further times, if I'm participating in such kind of events, I can add your values too." I was so happy and I appreciated the child. I said, "Well done, you have done exceptionally good. But I feel one rectification should be done. If you have written that your prize, this first prize will make it more worthier." Then the child asked me, "What is that?" I said to that child, "You have written everything regarding the infrastructure of the school, big grounds, different facilities which the school is providing to you. But have you ever thought why this building got the name school? Why this building is called as a school?" Then child started thinking. Unfortunately, I had to explain to the child, it is not necessary to have a building. There are a number of people in this universe who are working for the same common objective and goal for particular prospects. In that way, this building is called a school because the long-term and short-term objectives of each and every people who are associated with this institution is same. That is the reason this is called a school. After 2 days, I was completely drained due to one unexpected incident. The person who have checked that essay competition papers came to the class, in front of the class, insulted me very badly. That person spoke till the time that person's tongue got tired. That much that person spoke. Of course, I am also a normal human being. I never possess any kind of extra characters which I will never feel any kind of humiliation and insult. I kept my mouth shut. I uttered nothing. My silence means at that time I was unable to explain anything to them. I'm fed up of explaining to them. I had nothing to explain to them. But recently, the same child called up me and said to me, "Ma'am, I feel really sorry on that day which happened. Just because of me, you got insulted." And today I realizes in this quarantine time what you exactly said. All school buildings are closed, but the process which has been done in that building is doing outside by sitting in different places, by sitting at different homes. The same thing what we were doing in the building is going on. And the child said, "You are the real worthy person who made me what I am." And that sentence made my day. And that is the reason which I wanted to make a video like this. I'm not pointing any person. I'm not criticizing any person. Education means providing the platform for the students to think something. It's not like that we are imposing something on them. It will never make any kind of worth in future. Still, I remember one of the quote which has been written by Einstein. I fear the day that technology will take on our humanity and the world will be populated with generation which are completely fools and idiots. And teachers, we should not be a part of that. We should not generate a generation who are idiots. Let them think. Let me tell you one thing. All teachers are not common people, and all common people are not teachers. If we really don't worth that profession, please don't choose this profession. I feel like that. I don't know what you may feel. The same way, that day I was broken. I was brutally broken. Let me tell you one thing to you. If you have faced such a situation in your life, if you are completely broken, but still you have the courage to be the gentle and kind to that person who hurt you, then you really deserve the love deeper than ocean itself. This is all about today. Signing out, Sindhu.